Hello everyone, I am back today. As you can see, I am putting on my lab coat. It has been absolute ages since I have made a science video. This is actually my first one, since my first ever video on this channel was a science video. We were like, oh cool, we're getting more views. Let's check out how much views all my video have. We found it. We completely forgot about it. So I am going to be making another one. So as you can see, the title of this video, we are going to be making this downright awesome DIY volcano. It is going to actually erupt using a chemical reaction. And on to more of that later. Let's get going. So these are the materials you actually will be needing. I just brought the calculator for fun, and also because it smells very good. You will be needing some cardboard. Recommended size is about like a little bit more than a water bottle size. So you have a water bottle. If you have like an empty plastic water bottle, that's what I would recommend. I got two just in case something went wrong. So just about like a little bit bigger than that, just like a little bit more, that like on every side basically. Yeah. So that is cardboard. I already told you the two water bottles. One is fine too. I just brought this flask for testing purposes. You guys probably won't be using something like that, but I got a leveler just to make it better. See that? And it's also a flashlight. I don't think we'll need, but whatever. You need one of these. You don't really need it, but it just helps a lot. If you have a syringe-like thing, I got one just in case we need it. We probably will. Yes, you probably will need this, a pen, pencil, and if you have one, a highlighter. A ruler, you don't exactly need one, but I like one for drawing straight lines. And scissors. Obviously you will need scissors to cut the cardboard. So, let's get to it. So, as you guys have just seen in the time lapse, we just made something. But if you didn't catch the thing that we were doing on the time lapse, probably not. But here we have made this circle. The circle size should be so this circle, we have this circle. Oh, this flashlight is cool. So we have this little circle, and what we did, we used your size water bottle, put it down, and then we just like drew a pencil around the whole thing. That created this circle. Then we tried to measure this distance. So we left probably like this much of it inside the circle. And we basically made like a circle type thing around it. Then what I haven't done yet, I will do here, is add just a line. You need to cut this line so it can work. So that's pretty important. Very, very important. So now let's get on to the next bit. So guys, as you can see during our time lapse, we have cut the whole shape up. We had a mistake, so it was some weird stuff. But here, instead of just having a circle and one single line, we divided up into 8s, actually. Yeah, the whole thing is into 8 pieces. And we haven't actually cut out the middle. The middle we will not be needing, so don't save it. So yeah, we will not be needing the middle. But I've divided it out into 8 singular pieces. Now, in the time lapse, we shall cut this up, and we shall be writing the numbers. We'll show you in the next time lapse break. Awesome. So as you can see in the time lapse, I don't think you got to see that time lapse was pretty fast. Here we have made all of the things. So what we did, we just cut the whole thing. So we just cut one by one. Then when one was done, we just wrote the number. Yeah, then we got the whole thing done. So this is basically how they are. If you take a look at them, I like to organize them just to like be organized and make sure that nothing ruins them or it doesn't get ordered correctly or something else happens like that. So let's get the next part, the next time lapse ready. Awesome. So as you can see, we just spent an awful lot of time out doing this. It's not as perfect as I thought it would be, but this works. Not every volcano is exactly like this, but it's really, really simple. Just start gluing them together in any sort of way, and then it just sort of like just automatically just forms the volcanic shape. That looks perfect, except for the numbers and the whiteness. We will completely fix that after we are finished painting with it. We will also need some paints, if you have any. This works too, obviously. Now, we have actually stopped at when we have completed 4 panels to check if the water bottle still fits, which it should. And there we go. It should fit the water bottle somewhere pretty good. So we will need to do a little bit of adjusting to ours, but there will be this like creepy dark space under there that will stay there. So yeah, let's get on to the next 4 panels. So guys, awesome. As you can see in the time lapse, we left it there for a little time for you guys to see. Here is our finished product. We will not be painting it, but we probably will paint it later. You guys, I think, should if you have more time. But we actually did hot glue the bottle to the actual thing. We fit the bottle inside and we tried to glue it to the most points, to any kind of point that it was touching. So that is our volcano. We shall be telling you the proportions and starting the actual test and like doing a quick test to see if everything's working and it's all good. So yeah, let's get to that. Here we will be needing a cap. If you want one, I haven't actually told this, but if you want it to be like going up and like launching out, then you probably should do this. If you want it to ooze down, then just don't do anything. So you guys probably will want this. So what you do is you get your hot glue gun and stick it in. Yeah, then it should melt it and create a hole. I nearly forgot something. So this don't just throw the inside away yet. I said that before. If you still have it, then great. If you don't have it, then you can just cut another one out with some more cardboard. Try to make it the exact same size. But what you can do with this is, if you want, you can use this as a lid for the volcano. I'll tell you how it works later. Let's get on to the time lapse. And wait, we will also be needing a hot glue gun. And if you're wondering about the actual chemicals, baking soda and vinegar will be required later at the end when we're actually doing it. Yeah, let's get started now. So guys, here we've actually measured this out with my Erlenmeyer flask. Turns out you will need it. So we have found out the best ratio for it is 2 parts of vinegar and 1 part of baking soda. So what we have here is, this is 70 ml of baking soda. And we are going to be getting 140 ml of vinegar. So what you do first is you pour this stuff into here. Let's go, guys. Okay. So we have to perfectly aim it, taco mode it. Okay. Yeah, let's continue. Okay. Try not to miss a single drop. So this does take a long time. Okay, there we go. Nearly there. Okay, that is the whole cup of baking soda. Let's get on to the vinegar. So guys, it is absolutely stinking. I don't know how vinegar it tastes, but it is filthy. So here we have, this doesn't really fully go up to 140 ml. So we are going to do some smart maths and pour 120 ml into here. Oh my. And then add another 20 to it. So let's try to make it good. Oh my, this is heavy. Tell me when to stop. Stop. Okay, there we go. That is that is really clear. So it is a little bit more. So let me just pour a little bit more back. Ooh, that's way too less. Yes. Yes, that is perfect. Exact. So now let's grab the secondary bottle. Let us grab the second bottle and pour this in. That is vinegar, guys, not water. It's absolutely reeky. So let's go. Oh my. Okay, we have to get 20 ml. So right now this is 140 ml. And we need to get 20 more ml into this. Yeah, let's go. Oh, okay. There's barely gonna be any. Oh my. Okay, let's see how much that is. Is that enough? Yes, that is perfectly enough. Happy for us. Let's pour that in. There we go. Using super science math, we have gotten 140 milliliters of vinegar in here. Okay guys, we are back. So it is time to do it now. We have actually exchanged a few things, but let's go. Here it goes. Woo! That is so cool. Okay, I have a little bit more. Let's hope that does something. Really close. That was sick. You can watch all of the stuff flow down into the drain. But that is so cool. Okay. Please remember to like and subscribe to GreenTube. We will see you on the next science video.